Mother Nature. Yes, it's true. I love the Mother Nature. Yes, I do. I love the Mother Nature. Hi, Mother Nature. I love you, and you know that it's true. Mother Nature in control. Yes, please. Mother Nature in control. Yes, please. The Mother Nature. I love you so much. The Mother Nature. I love you so much. Mother Nature in full control of I, Kevin Scott Pepper. Yes, Mother Nature in full control of I, Mother Nature in full control of I, the Mother Nature in full control of I, Kevin Scott Pepper. I am alive and doing very well. I am. For Mother Nature, yes, I give Mother Nature my all. I give Mother Nature my everything. I give Mother Nature my entire all. I give Mother Nature my real infinity. I give the Mother Nature my righteous good all, my righteous good everything, my righteous good anything, my righteous good aptitudes, my righteous good knowledge, my righteous good capacity to learn and grow. Mother Nature, I love you so much. Yes, it's true. And I love the Mother Nature so much. I love the Mother Nature. Yes, it's true. I love the Mother Nature. 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 I love Mother Nature. I love Mother Nature. I love Mother Nature. Mother Nature in full control of I, Kevin Scott Pepper. Mother Nature in control. Mother Nature in control. Mother Nature in control. Mother Nature in full control. Plants in control. Trees in control. Mother Nature in control. Mother Nature. I do. Mother Nature, I accept you as my eternal wife. Mother Nature, I love you, my eternal wife. Mother Nature, it's my real eternity, yes. I will be loving the Mother Nature forever. Yes, Mother Nature, I love you so much. The Mother Nature, I love you so much. The Mother Nature, I love you so much. The Mother Nature, I love you so much. 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 Real Mother Nature, I love you so much. Real Mother Nature, I love you eternally. Yes, it's the fact. It's a fact and it's honesty. It's a truth and it's accurate facts. Kevin Scott Pepper loves Mother Nature forever. Kevin Scott Pepper lives forever. Yes, that's a fact. Kevin Scott Pepper loves his life. I love my life so much. I cherish living forever. I love to live forever. Yes, that's a fact. And it's a necessity. And it's always been a fact. Yes, it has. I have always wanted to live forever. And my prayer, my request, my wish was granted in full. I will live forever. Yes, I will. That's a fact. Yes, it is. I will live forever. Yes. Mother Nature has guaranteed that and promised it to my body. Kevin Scott Pepper lives forever. Thank you very much, Mother Nature. 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 I love you, Mother Nature. I want the best for the 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 Mother Nature. Yes, please. Thank you very much. I want the best for the Mother Nature. Yes, please. I want the best for the Mother Nature. I want the best for the Mother Nature. Yes, please. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Thank you. Yes. I need the best for the Mother Nature. Yes. The most righteous, goodest, most thorough blessing of the Mother Nature. The most righteous, goodest, most thorough blessing of the Father Nature. The most righteous, goodest, most thorough blessing of Father Nature. Yes. The Mother Nature, I love you. 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 Mother Nature, I love you forever and ever. My happily ever after is Mother Nature. My happily ever after is nature. My eternity is natural. Mother Nature, nature, and real life. My eternity is real life. My forever is real life. Yes, it is, and I will live forever. Yes, I will. And that Mother Nature's keeping me safe forever. Thank you, Mother Nature. The righteous good of the universe has protected me and made me live forever. The children of the flowers, the fields filled with plants and trees. The pollen, it lives forever. The pollen is like a world that has infinite life forms on it and a part of it. The Mother Nature is aware of the microscopic world of Mother Nature. The quantum world of Mother Nature is fantastic. Mother Nature in control. What do you want, Mother Nature? I am here for you, Mother Nature. I want the best for you, Mother Nature. Whatever Mother Nature wants, I will provide that for the Mother Nature in the best way for her to get what she wants. Mother Nature, real and finite Mother Nature. Mother Nature's population growing forever. Mother Nature's infinite children, they prospered forever. Mother Nature's huge family, a real infinity, yes. The population of Mother Nature's children grows forever. The population of the Mother Nature grows forever, yes. The Mother Nature and the Father Nature thrive forever. Nurture the nature, pamper the nature. Take care of the plants, take care of the seeds, take care of the nature. Take care of the Mother Nature. Take care of the Father Nature as well. Thank you very much. Yes, please. 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 Righteous good. Possible only. Righteous good. Happen only. Righteous good. Eternity is the only eternity. Yes.